ignored important critical evidence of BPA's dangers.
Not only should we be concerned about what is in our foods, we also need to be concerned about what is on the outside of our foods. Today's modern foods are neatly packed and wrapped in plastics, styrofoam, tin, and aluminum. On March 30th, 2011, Discovery News reported, "Food packaging harbors harmful chemicals." Plastic wrappers, food cans, and storage tubs deposit at least 2 potentially harmful chemicals into our food, confirmed a new study. By cutting out containers, people can dramatically reduce their exposures to these toxins. The chemicals, bisphenol A, or BPA, and a phthalate called DEHP, are known to disrupt hormonal systems in the bodies of both animals and people, leading to developmental and reproductive problems as well as cancers, heart disease, and brain disorders. And both appear in a wide variety of food packaging materials. But when people in the new study avoided plastic and ate mostly fresh foods for just 3 days, the levels of these chemicals in their bodies dropped by more than 50%, and sometimes much more. On November 8, 2010, Discovery News reported, "Canned food alert. There are traces of the worrisome chemical BPA in a wide variety of canned foods from supermarket shelves," found a new study. BPA is also present in products packaged in plastic and in one sample from the deli counter. The study, which was the first to measure levels of BPA in grocery store foods in the United States, suggests that food, especially canned food, might be one major route the BPA uses to get into our bodies. BPA has been linked to all sorts of health concerns, including heart disease, cancers, and developmental problems. On February 15, 2010, USA Today reported that the FDA said it has some concerns about health effects and encouraged people to limit their exposure. Research has linked the chemical to cancer, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, sexual dysfunction, and early onset puberty. FDA officials said they are especially concerned about its developmental impact on fetuses, infants, and young children. BPA, used to harden plastics, leaches from containers into food and drinks, even cold ones. It's so ubiquitous that more than 90% of Americans have traces of it in their urine, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.